Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom token to Trust Wallet. Now you can see we are on the page of Trust Wallet app, and let's imagine that I need to add, for example, Arbitrum crypto to my account. The first method to do that is just scroll the main page, click on button add tokens, then write Arbitrum and simply add this crypto to my wallet. Add some coins you can't find and add in the search bar. So now I'm going to show you 100% working method on how to add any crypto to Trust Wallet app. Instead of using search bar, you can click on the plus in the upper left corner, and all you need to do here is just choose the correct network of your cryptocurrency and paste the contract address of it. In my case it's Arbitrum network, so choose it, and the second step is to find, copy and paste the contract address of the SC you want to add, and you can easily find and copy it from Google. So just copy the address and paste it in Trust Wallet, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.